Hi. Tonight we are going tonight we're gonna show how to prepare your email autoresponder campaign with the code that's given by Prosperity Team. We are assuming at this point that you already registered with Empower Network and that you belong to the Prosperity Team. If you don't belong to the Prosperity Team yet, make sure that the person that invited you to become a part of the Empowered Network business, it's a part of the Prosperity Team. And so you can enjoy of all the tools and all the training that's inside the back office of the Prosperity Team. All right, now let's proceed with how to set up an email autoresponder campaign with the GVO autoresponder with the code given by the Prosperity Team website. So first of all, we have to log into the website as I'm logged in right now. And then we are going to go to the Start Here button once we're logged in. And then we're going to go down to the Get Set Up button.
Hey, this is Adam, and welcome to video 2.
We'll stop the video here, and then we go to Sales Funnels. When we are on the page that offers all the 3 different sales funnels, the first one that we're going to open is the Prosperity Team. As you can see here, as soon as you get into the Prosperity Team drop-down menu, which is the menu that shows up as soon as you hit the open, you have to select from 3 different options that you have for the autoresponder that you're going to use. In this particular case, we're going to be using GVO, which is the one that I recommend, because obviously it's the one that I'm using. So what we have to do is we have to copy this campaign code here, and then we go to GVO. Once we arrive at the GVO page, we go to Account Login. We will log in with our credentials. Once we're inside the GVO back office, what we have to do is we scroll down to autoresponder, we click on it, and then here what we are going to do is we're going to add a new campaign. Click on the plus button, then we're going to name the campaign. Actually, no, what we're going to do is we are going to campaigns, and we are going to go to the link here that says list. Once we have a list of all the different campaigns that we have inside our autoresponder, you see here where it says you can get copy of campaign by code. This is exactly the procedure that we have to follow. We already have the campaign code, which is the one that we copy from the Prosperity Team website, and we will paste it in here. Once we have pasted it, all we have to do is just click the Get Campaign, and we will have a new campaign set up immediately based on the code that we just pasted that was given to us by the Prosperity Team. Now here we have to modify certain information to make it look like we would, like the campaign that we would like to, like for instance, from name is going to be my name, Jesus Pina. The email that is going to be on the website that is going to show the prospect where the email is coming from is going to be my Gmail account. The same notification email is the jpinap@gmail.com, which is the one that's going to tell me when someone has registered in my campaign. This is the unsubscribe text. Every time we subscribe to a new e-sign or email autoresponder list or something like that, we have to give the people that register for the list a possibility of unsubscribing from our list whenever they want. Okay, so once we have completed all this information here, all we have to do is just click the edit button, and that's going to save all the information that we just created. Now, once we have done that, we're going to go down here to the prosperity team, to this prosperity team campaign that we just created, and we're going to go to global fields. These global fields are very, very important to modify, because first of all, the global one here is the information that's going to tell the system, the prosperity team system, as well as the Empower Network system, who is referring that new prospect to the business. So here we would have to put in the username that we registered with on the Empower Network business. So in my particular case is Edapina. We will also put here, if you want, you can put a contact address. Like for instance, I'm located in Florida. I'm going to put the city as Miami, Florida. And you can also put your signature file where you're going to put some information that you believe that is pertaining for people to be able to contact you. It could be your name with a phone number if you'd like people to call you, or it can also be your Facebook account or Twitter account or any other means that people can use to get in contact with you. Okay, in this particular case, I'm going to use my phone number. And once we have filled out all the information as we want it to appear, we just click on the update button, and voila, we have already created a campaign with a bunch of emails that were already created that we're going to take advantage of, and everything is going to be coded to our username in Empower Network and Prosperity Team. That means that every time someone registers in our website or registers to be a part of our email autoresponder list, these people, whenever they decide to actually take part of in the business, they will be registered under our organization, or they're going to be part of our team as a team members. Now, in order for us to be able to prove that this is actually working, now what we have to go is keeping the campaign here. We go to messages, and we have a list of all the different messages that we have that we'll be sending to all of our associates or all the people that are registered in our that will be registered in our email list autoresponder. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day.